The decision of the Constitutional Court Judge Martin Musaluke to hold the criminal proceedings against former Konkola Copper Mines KCM provisional liquidator Milingo Lungu, pending hearing of a petition in which he is challenging his arrest after being granted immunity from prosecution by the Director of Public Prosecution, William Siyunyi, has continued to attract opposing views. Newly appointed KCM official receiver Celine Nair wants the said decision reversed to allow Mr. Lungu's criminal proceedings resume before the subordinate court, where he is being accused by the state of acquiring properties reasonably suspected to be proceeds of crime. In her affidavit in support of the Attorney General's notice of motion to reverse the judge's ruling before the Constitutional Court, Ms. Nair says it is a settled principle of the law that civil and criminal proceedings are governed by distinct rules of practice and procedure. Has submitted that if the said ruling is not reversed, the legal system will be marred with uncertainty as regards the said principle, thereby setting a bad precedent in matters such as the ones Mr. Milingo Lungu is facing. The applicant says uncertainty in the justice system is something that is frowned upon by the courts, hence the observance of the doctrine of stare decisis. Recently, Attorney General Musaluke also argued that Judge Musaluke erred in fact and law when he relied on Article 128(2) in making his ruling when there was no reference of the constitutional issue from the subordinate court before which Mr. Milingo Lungu was appearing. He submitted that Judge Musaluke misdirected himself by proceeding to consider Article 128(2) when he said that the article does not apply to the petition, but that to the contrary, the said article applies to a situation where the constitutional issue arises before proceeding in the lower court. He further said the ruling of Judge Musaluke does not disclose any reason for departing the established principle of the law relating to the use of civil proceedings to stay criminal proceedings in this jurisdiction. Darius Jr., Damo News.